Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice exponential equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given 3 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 27 to the power of x. What is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So here's our solution. Now that we have 3, we are going to write 9 and 27 to the base of 3. So then this becomes 3 to the power of x plus 3 squared, which is 9. All this to the power of x is equal to 3 cubed, which is 27. All this to the power of x, right? So in our next step, we are going to use this rule of indices. If you have a to the power of m, all this to the power of n, we can as well write it as a to the power of n, all this to the power of m. So interchanging our exponent. So then this becomes 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x, all this squared is equal to 3 to the power of x, all this cubed, right? So then we have 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x, and 3 to the power of x. So we shall say let 3 to the power of x is equal to y. So where there is 3 to the power of x, we are substituting it with y. So then this is y plus y squared is equal to y cubed. Okay, so we shall rearrange this. So this is y cubed minus y squared minus y is equal to 0. So we are going to factor out our common factor here, which is y. So this is y cubed divided by y. This is y squared minus y squared divided by y. We are left with y minus y divided by y. This is 1 is equal to 0. So from this point, we already have the first value of y. So y is equal to 0. Then we have this y squared. So what is inside the bracket? Y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a nice quadratic equation, and we can solve it using the quadratic formula, where y is equal to plus negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, right? So y is equal to negative b. So this is negative 1. So we have negative, our b is negative 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 1 squared. So that is 1 minus 4 times our a here, which is the coefficient of y squared, is 1, times c, which is negative 1 over 2 times a, which is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. So y is equal to, so this is negative times negative, positive 1 plus or minus the square root of, so we have 1, then we have this negative and times negative, positive, so 1 plus 4 over 2 times 1 is 2. So y is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. So we shall then have two values of y. So our first value of y is equal to plus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, or second value of y is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2. And we have the third value of y, which is y is equal to 0. Earlier on, we had say let 3 to the power of x is equal to y. So we want now to get the value of x. So then 3 to the power of x is equal to y. So y should be positive. So this will give us negative. So we shall reject this. And y cannot be equal to 0. So we are going to reject this. This will not give us solution. So 3 to the power of x, we shall then pick this, which is 1 plus square root 5 over 2. So we are going to introduce logs on both sides. So this is log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. So using power rule, we are going to bring this power here before the log. So x log 3 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. So to remain with x, we shall divide here by log 3 and divide this side by log 3. So this and this will cancel, and we have x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then we have log 3. So we shall make this our base. So x is equal to log. So let me write here the final value of x. So x is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 to the base of 3. And this is our final solution. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to share with your learning colleagues. Bye bye. See you in my next video.